Good morning, SpongeBob brothers. Especially you, Patchy the Pirate. Tonight we're gonna finally draw Neptune's son, King Triton. One of the great warlords of the sea. You probably already know this. Triton has unspeakable power, as he crafted a laser in Bikini Bottom himself. I never would have thought of so much destruction that he would cause. One time, he used his laser to cut through an entire building. He once took over the Krusty Krab. His father was proud. Well, he had a huge interest in baseball. I bet he's already building getting a lot of awards as we speak. And he also created a he created a medicine for all mortal diseases. Amazing, huh? I mean, the guy is a genius. The guy took chemistry. Wonder what else Triton can do. What's next? I bet he's gonna take on Lord Beerus. Awesome, right? Him against Lord Beerus? That is so interesting! What do you guys think about it? Would that be something worth looking at? Here's the laser that he shoots in the battle. Nobody can defeat this guy in battle. I wonder if he went up against the top 5 strongest and won. There he is, folks. That's how you draw Lord Triton, the latest king of the sea. Now, would you mind? Time to hit the pool. Got a jet!